Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best toolbox organizers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Heavy Duty Rolling Toolbox. This is a rigid and durable toolbox organizer designed to deliver excellent services for the users. The product features a top-grade material making it long-lasting and durable. It also features nice fold-down handles that offer easy handling and storage. The handles save space when folded. And yes, these handles also offer easy carrying to different places. The comfortable grip guarantees utmost convenience. The product also features some amazing nylon wheels that guarantee easy movements. There is plenty of storage space for different tools and accessories. The 2 removable tool trays offer convenient arrangement and access to your different items. Additionally, this product also boasts a rugged design offering convenient and long-lasting storage. The high-quality and durable polypropylene and metal materials ensure that your items are safe at all times. The cable hooks guarantee perfect operations. Moving on at number 4, we have DeWalt Toolbox Tough System. DeWalt Toolbox organizers boast an ultra-quality construction. They are designed to offer excellent services. This toolbox organizer boasts a robust structural foam construction makes it perfect for use in all places. Of course, it is also spacious and compact. The compact design makes it perfect for use in different places while the spacious compartments offer easy arrangement and access to your items. The inner vertical storage offers convenient storage for other tools. And yes, the product also features a removable tray for convenient arrangement. It also features some nice side latches that offer convenient stacking and modules. It also comes with nice side handles for convenient handling. At number 3, we have Acro Mills 09514, 14-inch plastic toolbox. Acro Mills 09514, 14-inch plastic toolbox is a top-quality toolbox organizer designed for use at home, garage or other places. The product boasts a convenient size of 14-inch x 8:1, 8-inch x 8:1, 8-inch. Therefore, it is perfect for use at home and in small spaces. This is also a durable and high-quality toolbox organizer boasting a powerful material. This toolbox organizer is made from industrial-grade plastic materials that make it durable and long-lasting. The rounded edges also make it safe and perfect for your different needs. This toolbox organizer also comes with a large lift top tray that offers convenient storage for smaller items. It also features a nice and comfortable handle making it ideal for all your needs. This is a perfect toolbox organizer for storing and transporting different tools and items. The versatile construction makes it perfect for performing different tasks. It is perfect for carrying first aid items, utensils, tackle and fishing accessories. It is also perfect for game pieces and calligraphy tools. At number 2, we have 17-inch MultiPurpose 3-layer toolbox. The foldable 3-layer tray offers spacious storage for your different items. And yes, this toolbox organizer also offers quick and easy access to your items. The transparent top cover offers convenient access to the different items in the box. The plastic cover also offers easy storage for small tools. This set also includes nice stainless steel latches that offer safe storage for your items. The tough and sturdy metal latches offer strong protection and easy movements. The latches also offer a long life for the toolbox organizer. This product also features a stable folding rod that is thickened for added stability and durability. Therefore, it is durable and long-lasting. The product is made in strict conformity to the stipulated quality standards. Therefore, it lasts longer and is more durable than most of the other brands. The thoughtful design also makes the product ideal for your different needs. And finally at number 1. Maska Hardware Box Storage Hinged Box. This is an 18-compartment toolbox organizer that offers easy arrangement and access to your different tools. It is perfect for holding screws, tools, parts, tackle, and crafts. In short, this is a perfect toolbox organizer for different items. The removable dividers make it even better. It has compartments and dividers that create the perfect storage for all your items. The product also offers convenient storage for large and small items. It also comes with a nice transparent lid that offers convenient uses. The see-through lid allows the user to easily identify screws and tools without opening the box. This is a perfect product for professional and personal uses. It also boasts some amazing locking latches that offer safety for your different items. The compact size makes the box perfect for use in small spaces and also creates enough space for all your items. The compartments measure 2 inches by 2 inches.